Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 934 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this vitamin E balm from the brand FEEL, and this is a product that I got in my August 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. And I'm excited because FEEL is a new brand to me and I love trying out new brands. If you want to see all of the products I got in my August 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, I'll have my unboxing video linked in the description down below. This really does sound like a perfect product for me because basically it's supposed to moisturize dry skin, and my lips are so dry, but this is also a multitasking moisturizer, which kind of reminds me of a Vaseline or a petroleum jelly because I'll put Vaseline on my lips or I'll put it anywhere that I just need to moisturize. So obviously it has vitamin E in it, which is great for the skin. It has protective antioxidants, and it also has a combo of castor seed oil and sunflower wax. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it has a retail value of $24, which to me seems very expensive for a product like this, but I'm very curious if it actually has any color to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch. Oh no, it's totally clear. Whoa, it has a very minty smell to it. This is also made in the USA. I didn't see anything on here about mint. Oh, I see in the ingredients, peppermint oil. So that's nice and refreshing. Ooh, I really like the smell of that. It's gonna kind of be hard to see. It's right there, the swatch, but it's just a clear gloss, balm, kind of petroleum jelly, like honestly. It feels a little bit stickier, like a little bit more glossy than a petroleum jelly as far as texture goes. But I'm gonna go ahead and start out by applying it to my lips, which are so dry. I'm noticing that this is immediately hydrating to my dry lips. Like it completely hydrated them, so there's no dryness on my lips anymore. And it looks really pretty. It has great shine, and it's also a little bit cooling from that peppermint oil. Oh, this is exactly what my lips needed. It really enhances the lips because it completely hydrates them, but it also kind of smooths out the lines in my lips, and then with that glossy finish, it gives kind of a plumping effect. I love this. I would seriously describe this as a Vaseline with peppermint oil in it, which that sounds amazing to me. But so since this is supposed to be multi-use and you can apply it anywhere you really need to add hydration, I actually have on my elbow here, you can see, I have these calluses basically on my elbows. I have it on both elbows because 155 days ago, I started a plank challenge, which is where I just like hold, like in this position, like the ab plank. And I worked up to 1 minute and 45 seconds, and I do it every single day to try and build up core strength. And I've noticed that since I've been doing my planks on the rug, I now have basically like rug burn calluses on my elbows. That's a long explanation as to why I'm gonna apply this to my elbow, but I'm trying to soften that skin. So I think this is a perfect product to put on there. So let's just kind of see how this does at moisturizing my skin that's not my lips. Yeah, I mean, it's very hydrating. I feel like this absorbs, like my skin just drinks it in, which is awesome. Yeah, the smooth texture of my elbow now compared to the other one, I have to go ahead and apply it to my other elbow now. But honestly, the results in my ab definition and my ab strength from doing a plank every day has really been impressive. I still have to lose a little bit of that top layer of flab on top of my abs to really see the ab definition that I'm looking for, but I don't know why I just decided to do this challenge with myself, and it was supposed to be a 30-day challenge, which sounds familiar because this Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series was supposed to only be about 30 days, and the 30 days pass, it becomes a habit, and I just do it every day. So just like how I upload a new makeup product review video every day, I also do a plank every day. Sometimes it's 11:30 at night and I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't do my plank for the day, and I still do my plank. Like, no matter what, I do my plank every day. So if you want to build up your core strength, I recommend doing that. It just takes, 2 minutes out of your day, and it really does make a difference. But anyways, yeah, let's get back to this product here. Now that I've had it settle into my lips and I've been talking for a while, it's still so hydrating, very intact. I do still think that this product is overpriced for what it is, but regardless of the price, I do really like this, and this is a product that I'm going to put in my work area. So throughout the day when my lips get dry, I like to have a lip balm there, and I just used up the one that I currently had, so this is going to become my new daily, multiple times throughout the day lip balm, because it's so soothing, so easy to apply, so easy to wear. It'll look great on Zoom calls. So this is great. I'm so glad I have it, and I definitely want to try out more from the brand FEEL. So if you have any favorite products from the brand FEEL that you would recommend, let us all know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.